Hello, fellow marketers. I'm Brian Bowie, and welcome to another episode of Directive R&D. Today should be a quick one. We're going to be reviewing a landing page test for a gated analyst report. So if you're in the SaaS space, you definitely have probably seen Gartner reports, Forrester reports, or in this case, an IDC report used as a gated resource for landing pages. And we've seen these to work really well because when users are looking for a solution and they're evaluating different vendors, they kind of want to get an unbiased third-party insight into how these different solutions stack up. So I'm going to blow up this screen a little bit, walk through the test we ran, and move my face. Cool. So we wanted to test the hypothesis that including the visual or not including the visual, which one would have a better conversion rate. Our hypothesis was that if you don't include the visual, you may have a higher conversion rate because you're not giving away as much information. So we turned out to be correct in that when you do remove the visual, say it's a Gartner Magic Quadrant, or in this case, this IDC report, in your case, it might be a G2 spread with that graph. Try not including it on your landing page and see what it does. For this particular client, it increased conversion volume by 132%. So it was a major improvement for this client. And it kind of goes to along the lines of knowing how much information to put on your landing pages and how much to leave kind of in unknown to give them reason to fill out this form and to get that type of information. So really quick one. A lot of you out there are using these types of reports. I'd highly recommend if you do use the visuals or or have a lot of details about the report that you think would be valuable after they fill out the form, test removing some of that information, just having just enough to entice that user to fill out the form and learn more. And then you can give them a bunch of information on the thank you page to help supplement whatever you showed them on this form. But if your goal is for conversion rate improvement and lead capture, highly recommend you check this out or test this out. So this was really successful for us, and hopefully spark some ideas for you when looking at your landing pages to see how much information you feel is enough to entice a conversion. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next lab. Thank you again.